Did you know your Galaxy Z Fold 6 could be safer than ever before? Let's dive into the ultimate drop test challenge. Welcome to the world of top-rated rugged cases that promise ultimate protection for your phone. Let's put them to the test. We all know how vulnerable foldable phones can be, but are these cases up to the challenge? Stay tuned as we reveal the results. In today's test, we'll be dropping the Fold 6 from different heights and angles. Discover which case holds up the best. First up, stylish designs that don't just protect, but also elevate your phone's look. Fashion meets functionality. Some cases come with built-in kickstands and wallet features, making them more than just stylish, but incredibly functional. But how about durability? Let's see how these cases withstand our toughest drop tests yet. From rugged to sleek, each case shows its strength in keeping your Fold 6 intact. Which one will you choose? A case with a great look and even greater protection? Yes, please. Discover the best styles today. When design meets protection, you get the ultimate case for everyday life. Explore more options now. For those who seek adventure, these rugged cases are just right, built to withstand the toughest conditions. Let's wrap up our drop test. Which case was the real hero today? Let me know in the comments below. Ultimately, the best case is the one that fits your lifestyle while providing the ultimate protection. Choose wisely. Remember, investing in a good case makes all the difference. Keep your Galaxy Z Fold 6 as good as new. Thanks for tuning in to our drop test challenge. Make the smart choice for your Galaxy Z Fold 6 now. Join us next time for more exciting reviews and tech tips. Stay safe and keep your devices protected.